Hello, welcome back to Let's Talk channel. What day is it today? Yes, today is an important day called International Women's Day. And we wish you a very happy Women's Day to all the women. Due to Women's Day, I wish to say many things about Women's Day. Let's move to the video. International Women's Day is a global day celebrating in a social, economic, culture and political achievements of women. The day also marks a call to the action of assimilated gender parties. Significant activities is witnessed worldwide as a group come together to celebrate women's achievement or rarely for women's equality. Marked annually on March 8th, International Women's Day is one of the most important day of the year too. Celebrate women's achievement, raise awareness about women's equality, lobby for assigned general parties, fundraise for female force charity. The companion theme for International Women's Day is Choose to Challenge. A challenge world is an alert world, and for challenge comes changes. So let's all challenge to and give a girl with girl power. International Women's Day has occurred for well over the century, with the first gathering held in 1911. Women were not freedom and they were not able to study, or they are unable to go freely and they doesn't have equal rights in society. So this Women's Day will give an complete equality and complete statement for the women and respect the women. Purple, white and green are the color of the International Women's Day. Purple signifies justice and dignity. Green symbolizes hope. White symbolizes purity and controversial concept. The colors organized from the Women's Social and Political Union in UK in 1980. International Women's Day is not country, group, nor organization specific. No one, government, NGO, charity, corporation, academic institution, women's network or media hub is solely responsible for International Women's Day. The day belongs to all the group everywhere in the country. World renowned feminist journalist and activist once explained, the story of the women's struggle for equality belonged to no single feminist nor to any other one organization, but to collective effort of all who care about human rights. So make International Women's Day your day and do what you can do truly to make difference to the positive human. Yes, there's no place for accompaniments. According to the World Economic Forum, sadly none of us will see gender parties in our lifetimes, and nor likely to many of our children. Gender parties will not be ignored for almost a century. There's urgent work to do, and we can all play a part. Women can do what a man can. There is no difference between women and men. Woman is equal to a man. Respect women. Once again, wishing you Happy Women's Day. Like the video, comment and share to all the women and subscribe. Click the bell icon near it to get all the notification. Thanks for watching.